Zambia Kenneth Kaunda International Airport, LUN, a guide to major airports in Africa. 1. Location of the airport, 16 miles outside Lusaka. 2. Pros, friendly, helpful staff, in the midst of a renovation as of July 2019. 3. Cons, a bit far from the city. 4. Getting to and from the airport, taxis are available, but hotels and tour operators often arrange private or shared transfers. In 2018, 1.4 million passengers traveled through Kenneth Kaunda International Airport, Zambia's busiest. It's a hub for Proflight Zambia, which flies domestically and to neighboring countries, and it's also served by a number of African airlines, plus Turkish and Emirates. The airport underwent a multi-year renovation to upgrade its facilities, and was mostly completed by 2020.